Shut up, duck.
That's not a duck, that's a frog.
Took me right from my face. I don't know why I said duck.
You sound like Beyonce. Quack, 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 quack. Na 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 na. Work, 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 work.
I want my froggy back. I wonder what Sonny would do. I bet he would freak.
You probably think it's a freaking spider, man.
I guarantee he'd fly himself into a wall or something.
Do you think so?
Oh, what the fuck is he doing?
He'd be like, yuck, Dad.
That would be hilarious, though.
Do you think he'd try to bite it?
As long as he didn't hurt himself, it'd be hilarious. I can see him freaking out of his jump.
Oh, that'd be dope. That'd be so cute. You hear that, right?
I hear a bee. Hope it left.
It's just a honeybee.
Hey, that's okay. I ain't got no honey. Go away, unless he's gonna feed me. Here, have your honey.
If you give it a chance, man, you notice they weren't going to hurt you. They just want to rest. Or they want to find something. This is the first son. One of the first sons. So they came alive. You know, a lot of them take refuge in this tall grass.
Well, that's why we're about stepping on them.
And leaves. That's why every year when I prematurely rake the yard, you're killing all these hibernating bees and insects and stuff like that. That's why. No, it's not. They have. I like them better than I like us.
Honey, then ask for the money.
Lily, I hope you don't get sick from that. It always freaks me out. You never know when it's going to happen.